Hi friends, this is a silly story called Snowman at Night. It talks about what snowmen might do when you're sleeping, but it's just a made up story. Let's find out what happens. Snowman at Night. One wintry day, I made a snowman very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, I was not sure if he was the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down. He really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmans do at night? I think that snowmans start to slide when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right to the park. They gather in a circle, and while they wait for all the others, sip cups of ice-cold cocoa made from their snowman mothers. Then the snowman games begin. They line up in their places, each one anxious for his turn, and the snowman races. After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond and do skating tricks on ice. That looks like fun. Sometimes they start giggling, and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other until they fall down. That's really silly. They gather up the snowballs, and Pitcher takes his aim, and underneath this moonlight sky, they play a baseball game. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs and the words, "Best snowball fight." Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. "Whee!" they yell. This is by far the snowman's biggest thrill. Finally, they're tuckered out and getting sleepy, so they slowly gather up their things. One by one, they go. So if your snowman's grin is crooked or he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what a snowman does at night. The end. Isn't that fun? Bye, friends.